How to download music from YouTube to MP3. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you download music from YouTube to MP3. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open YouTube on your desktop or PC. So you have to open the YouTube. Alright, so after you open the YouTube, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to click on your profile icon just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply click on it. And now from here, you'll have to go the option YouTube Studio. So you simply have to click on it. Alright, after you open the YouTube Studio, in the dashboard at the left side corner of the screen, you'll got options like audio library. So you have to click on this audio library option. Alright, so in the audio library section, you'll be able to find every free music on the YouTube Studio. So from here, you can easily review these songs or audio from here, and you can as usual download it for free. I will choose this one, and after there, I will have to click on this download option. So simply I'm clicking. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully downloaded the audio from the YouTube Studio. So likewise, you can also download the music from YouTube to MP3. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.